You see, I recently got upbeat Boostero splitter and amplifier, which delivers high fidelity stereo sound, 1, 2 or 3 channels, and double available signal volume. In this device, actually you can hear the music more loudly, maximize the power of your audio and video devices with Boostero portable splitter and amplifier. And headphones and speaker, the power they need to reproduce a richer, fuller spectrum of sound. And you can use Boostero with iPods and PowerBooks, MP3 players, portable DVD players, laptops and PCs, satellite radio, CD or cassette players, mini disc players, game systems, NASCAR scanners, TVs and home entertainment systems or vehicle systems. And you can add this Boostero between a device, audio output, and headphones or mini speakers rated up to 32 ohms to double their available volume with no loss of quality. Now you can hear the highs and lows you have been missing, and the Boostero splitter allows you to share this great sound with 1 or 2 friends simultaneously. You need 2 double A size battery. Your Boostero 3-channel headphone amplifier lets you share a single audio source with 3 headphone or mini speakers. It provides uniform amplification and doubles the volume from the player to each output device. 3-way audio splitting lets up to 3 listeners share 1 stereo audio source. Flexible output compatibility lets you use either headphones or mini speakers. Flexible input compatibility lets you connect CD players, computers, PDS, MP3 scanners and video games. If it uses a headphone, it can use a Boostero. LED light indicates when the unit is turned on. The warning is that displays of old batteries promptly and properly, do not burn or bury them. If you do not plan to use the headphone booster for 2 weeks or more, remove the batteries. Batteries can leak chemicals that can destroy electronic parts. And you can use the headphone booster while you listen to an audio source such as CD player, a computer with sound output or a scanner. For the best results, the headphones you use, you should have an impedance of about 32 ohms or under. If you are unsure, refer to the headphones owner's manuals. To protect your hearing, follow these guidelines when you use headphones. Set the volume to the lowest setting before you begin listening. After you begin listening, adjust the volume to a comfortable level. Do not use at extremely high volume levels. Extended high volume listening can lead to permanent hearing loss. Once you set the volume, do not increase it. Over time, your ears adapt to the volume level, so a volume level that does not cause discomfort might still damage your hearing. Do not use headphones when operating a motor vehicle or riding a bicycle in or near traffic. Doing so can create a traffic hazard and could be illegal in some areas. If you use headphones while riding a bicycle, be careful. Do not listen to continuous broadcast. Even though some headphones let you hear some outside sounds while listening at normal volume levels, they still can present a traffic hazard. Keep the headphone booster dry. If it gets wet, wipe it dry immediately. Use and store the headphone booster only in normal temperature environments. Handle the headphone booster carefully. Do not drop it. Keep the headphone booster away from dust and dirt and wipe it and with a damp cloth occasionally to keep it looking new. Modifying or tampering with the headphone booster's internal components can cause a malfunction and will invalidate its warranty. If your headphone booster is not performing as it should, contact us the website upbeataudio.com.
Of General Please B. Rogers, the first U.S. convoy to enter the City of Light.
So that's straight out.
Columns of smoke hovering over the city, framed by the Eiffel Tower. Bullets snapped from rooftops. The Chamber of Deputies smoldered. German prisoners were being led to the Comptoir National d'Escompte on the Place de l'Opéra. In the Tuileries Garden, the muzzles of the abandoned German guns were still hot from firing. I didn't rest between my nerves and my excitement, Rormer told Hancock, until I was lying on my bed at the Hotel de Louvre. It was absurd, but here in the midst of the
Turn down, remember the things